Hello kids, welcome in Kids Learning TV. Kids, these are our colors. First we learn colors name, then we write alphabets. Blue color, dark blue color, parrot color, parrot color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, purple color, purple color, sky blue color, sky blue color, orange color, orange color. Now we write alphabet A to Z. A. A. A for animal. B. B. B for bunties. B for bunties. C. C. C for carrot. C for carrot. D. D. D for doctor. E. E. E for elephant. E for elephant. F. F. F for fan. G. G. G for goat. H. H. H for house. H for house. I. I. I for iron. J. J. J for juice. J for juice. K. K. K for kite. L. L. L for lion. L for lion. M. M. M for mouse. N. N. N for necklace. O. O. O for orange. O for orange. P. P. P for pilot. Q. Q. Q for queen. Q for queen. R. R. R for rabbit. S. S. S for snake. S for snake. T. T. T for tree. T for tree. U. U. U for uncle. U for uncle. V. V. V for van. V for van. W. W. W for watch. W for watch. X. X. X for X-ray. X for X-ray. Y. Y. Y for yak. Z. Z for zoo. A. B. C. D. E. G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z.